Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Intriguing Insights. Today, our focus is the brain, crucial to our health and well-being. Regrettably, some daily habits could harm our brain health. We're unveiling 9 bad habits that damage your brain. Dive in, learn and maintain your brain for a flourishing life. So let's dive in and learn how to keep our brains in top-notch condition for a thriving life. First on our list is a habit that many of us are guilty of: lack of sleep. It's a common issue people face, but often underestimate its significance. Sleep, a natural and essential bodily function, carries immense importance for our overall well-being. Sleeping hours are a time when our bodies undergo a process of restoration and recovery. Particularly for our brains, quality sleep is pivotal. As much as our bodies require nourishment and exercise, our brains necessitate ample sleep for efficient functioning. A good night's sleep aids in rejuvenating our brains, enhancing their performance, and importantly, consolidating memories. This isn't merely about feeling refreshed, it's about maintaining a healthy cognition in the long run. Now, let's delve deeper. Discover the impact of sleep deprivation and how it affects your cognitive functions. Moving on to our second discussion point, we're talking about our eating habits. This is a crucial topic often overlooked, which has profound implications on our overall well-being. The foods we consume daily, if consumed excessively, especially those rich in sugars and fats, can have a profound negative impact on our brain health. This is due to the fact that these types of foods are typically low in the vital nutrients our brains need to function optimally. Overindulgence can lead to a host of mental and physical health problems, thus making it extremely important to maintain a balanced diet. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating connection between diet and cognitive function, exploring the scientific evidence and why it matters in our everyday lives. Moving on to our third point, smoking. It's a commonly known fact that smoking wreaks havoc on our lung health, an issue that has been widely broadcasted in various public health campaigns. However, the harm that it inflicts is not confined only to the lungs. Smoking has far-reaching effects on the body that are less visible, but equally detrimental. One such impact of smoking is on our brain, an organ that is vital to our existence and functioning. It's a little less known that it has adverse effects on our cognitive abilities, affecting how we think, learn, and remember. We're not just talking about minor effects either. Chronic smoking can lead to significant cognitive decline over time. Smoking, though often seen as a stress reliever, actually adds stress to the brain by reducing its oxygen supply. It's time we delve deeper and uncover the ways in which smoking can impact your cognitive abilities. At number 4, we're addressing a common social habit: excessive alcohol consumption. This is a critical habit to understand, as it is so prevalent in our society. Many of us enjoy a glass of wine at dinner or a beer while watching the game. However, when does this harmless indulgence become a problematic norm? It's important to educate ourselves about the thin line between moderate and excessive drinking. Too often, people cross this line without even realizing it. Excessive drinking is more than just a vice. It's a danger to your overall health, particularly your brain. The deterioration and damage it can cause to your brain health are alarming. Learn about the fine line between moderate and excessive drinking and the potential harm it can cause to your brain health. At number 5, it's an unfortunate reality for many: drug use. In an effort to delve deeper into the subject, this segment aims to investigate the significant effects that drug use can have on individuals. By examining different types of drugs, from recreational to medicinal, we aim to provide a panoramic view of the varying repercussions that they incur. We'll study the profound and often irreversible damages each drug can inflict on the brain's structure and function. From changes in memory to altered personality traits, this piece will shed light on the profound impact that various drugs can have on the structure and function of the brain. Number 6 brings us to a habit that not only affects our physical health, but also our mental well-being: lack of exercise. Now you might be wondering why this habit is so significant. Well, it's more than just maintaining a healthy weight or building muscles. It's about the mind as well. Exercise has been scientifically proven to improve mental agility, memory, and mood. It is an essential tool for combating stress, anxiety, and even depression. It nourishes the brain, improves blood flow, and aids in the production of brain cells. Discover the incredible benefits of regular exercise for brain health and cognitive function. At number 7, we delve into the depths of a seemingly innocuous but potentially lethal enemy: chronic stress. It's an entity we often underestimate, but the truth is far more serious than it initially appears. Chronic stress is a silent predator, creeping into our lives, slowly but steadily. It's a relentless presence that can affect our day-to-day lives in ways we may not even realize. Imagine a stealthy killer, unseen, unfelt, but causing havoc where it strikes. Our focus here is to expose how this silent menace can wreak havoc on our brain. We will peel back the layers, exploring the intricate pathways and mechanisms through which prolonged stress can inflict potentially irreversible damage on your mind. But it's not all doom and gloom. We're also preparing to arm you with knowledge and strategies. These will enable you to identify signs of stress, and most importantly, combat it effectively. We'll reveal the cognitive shields you can employ, and the lifestyle changes you can adopt to create a healthier mind environment. At the end of the day, our aim is to equip you with strategies to manage stress for a healthier mind. At number 8, it's time to reconsider how we manage our tasks, multitasking. It's a common strategy used in today's fast-paced world. Multitasking involves juggling multiple tasks at the same time. While it may seem like a smart approach, there's more to it than meets the eye. We'll delve deeper into its unexpected impacts on our brain functioning. Studies suggest multitasking can actually reduce efficiency and productivity. Learning the art of task management can be a game changer. Let's foster new ways to enhance productivity, challenging the traditional concept of multitasking. And finally, at number 9, we're delving deeply into the captivating realm of our mind, the power of our thoughts, more specifically, negative self-talk. It's a universal mechanism, a dialogue that occurs within us all. It's vital that we comprehend the gravity of this conversation we have in solitude, focusing on the words we utter to our own selves. These words, whether we realize it or not, have a profound impact. They sculpt not just our mood and emotions, but the very structure of our brains. They can construct or devastate our self-esteem, influence our motivation, and shape our perception of the world around us. This internal dialogue is a powerful tool that can greatly affect our overall mental well-being. And there you have it, 9 bad habits that damage your brain. These bad habits, if not avoided, can cause substantial harm to our brain, an organ of vital importance. It's astounding and resilient, but requires our constant care and consideration. We hope the presented in this video was enlightening and useful to you. We request you to spread this knowledge by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends and dear ones. Furthermore, don't miss out on more such content. Subscribe and become part of our community to health and well-being. Thanks for joining us on Intriguing Insights.